Marathon Valley, April 2016. Opportunity has been on Mars for over 12 years. The rover's odometer just passed 26 miles, a marathon distance on another world. This panorama, the Sacagawea Panorama, was stitched from exposures taken between sols 4347 and 4375. We're looking north at the left edge, across the fractured floor of Marathon Valley, toward the floor of Endeavour Crater. As we pan west-southwest, the valley floor reveals its history. The fractured polygonal texture you see, these are ancient mudstones, cracked as they dried billions of years ago. From orbit, the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter detected clay minerals here, smectites, the kind that only form in the presence of water. Neutral pH water. Drinkable water once. Opportunity drove here to touch what satellites could only sense. Each rock in this valley tells a story. The science team named them after the Corps of Discovery, Lewis and Clark's expedition. Sacagawea, Pomp, Charbonneau. Names of explorers who crossed a continent on foot. Opportunity crossed a planet on wheels. The valley walls rise on either side, layered sedimentary rock exposed by the impact that carved Endeavour Crater 14 miles wide. On the right, Knudsen Ridge forms the southern wall of Marathon Valley. That high point marks the edge of the valley, the southern flank. Beyond it, the eastern rim of Endeavour Crater fades into the haze, 22 kilometers distant. The rover's PanCam captured this through 3 filters, near-infrared, green, and violet, combined into approximate true color as your eye would see it standing there. Now we pull toward the horizon, the eastern rim of Endeavour Crater, 14 miles across. Opportunity spent years driving along its western rim, from Cape York to Solander Point to here, Marathon Valley. The clay-bearing rocks on the valley floor were the mission's last major science target here. The rover ground into them with its rock abrasion tool, exposing fresh surfaces untouched for eons. Portions of the northeastern rim, the far eastern rim, the crater floor between. This was Opportunity's final panorama from Marathon Valley. By June 2016, the team was wrapping up. The rover would soon drive south, exit the valley, and continue southeast toward Perseverance Valley. But before it left, it gave us this, a sweeping view of where water once flowed, where clay minerals still hold the memory of ancient habitable conditions. 12 years, 26 miles, 1 marathon on Mars. The Sacagawea Panorama named for the Shoshone woman who guided explorers across a continent. Opportunity guided us across a planet. And in this valley at the edge of a 14-mile crater, it found the fingerprints of water. Not acidic, not hostile. Water that could have supported life. The valley floor is fractured. The rim is distant. The rover's tracks fade behind. But the data remains clay minerals. Neutral pH, a habitable past written in stone. Opportunity's mission continued. But this view, this was the Valentine from Marathon Valley, a postcard from a world that once had rivers.